I'm Charity. I'm a horticulture student here at MSU. Today I'm going to show you the Plant, Soil, and Microbial Sciences building, give you a virtual tour. Here we're out here on the west side of the building, which is home to the horticulture demonstration gardens, which looks lovely in the summer. So take my word for it, and let's go check out the building. The building is also the most colorful building. We have the blue floor, the green floor, the banana yellow floor, the orange floor, the red floor, and the Barney purple floor. So here we are on the bottom floor, the blue floor, and the basement. I just wanted to mention that most of the rooms down here are either labs or a few offices, and there's also a connection to the adjacent buildings, like the Molecular Plant Sciences building, and if you walk down a long hallway, you'll eventually end up in the plant bio. But I'll get to that in a little bit. So here in the basement we have a bunch of cold storage rooms that I've actually run a couple of experiments in. So I just wanted to show you those. We have a bunch of happy trees in there that are getting their chill requirements. So here we are on the first floor, the ground level floor. Down here you have a few offices, like the undergrad office, and a bunch of classrooms. You might take some classes around this floor, and also some seminar rooms. And that's pretty much the gist of floor 1. So here we are on the banana colored floor, floor 2. This floor houses the secretarial offices for the different departments, including horticulture, crop soil science, plant soil microbial sciences. It's also home to a number of graduate student offices and a number of labs. And also the mailroom, which I'll show you real quick. So my favorite floor is the third floor because I work on this floor. So the third floor mostly houses labs and grad student offices, and it also is home to a really nice autoclave room and the tissue culture facility, which is a great facility run by Dr. Go-King Song here at MSU. And the nice thing about this tissue culture facility is he'll really work with you to make sure you've got some good protocols going for your species and some of the more non-traditional species that you think of for tissue culture, like trees, which is literally what we do in our lab. So I'll show you that. So here we are at Go-King's lab, the home of the tissue culture facility. We'll do a little walkthrough of his lab. The tissue culture room is back here, as well as a few laminar flow hoods you will do your tissue culture in. This is the result of many different projects. The fourth floor consists mainly of grad student offices and labs, a couple of conference rooms. And the fifth floor consists of grad student offices and labs as well. So connected to the Plant, Soil, and Microbial Sciences building is the Molecular Plant Sciences building and the Plant Biology building. And if you go through over towards the Molecular Plant Sciences building on the first floor, you'll find the atrium, which is a really nice hangout area, study area, lots of natural lighting. So here at MSU, we also have a large greenhouse research facility, which you can get to by walking through the integrated network of the plant science buildings. So I'm going to take you there now, and we'll conclude our tour with a little mini one of the research greenhouses. So here we are in the research greenhouses. We're in kind of an intersection area of several different bays. And in these kinds of areas, you can find potting stations for, planting your plants and setting up your experiment. You have bins for the different kinds of trash, a rinsing station, and of course, a nice selection of pots. virtual tour of the Plant, Soil, and Science building. I hope you enjoyed yourselves, and I highly encourage you to join in on some of the networking events that we have going on during the Plant Science Recruitment Weekend. We hope you choose MSU because it truly is a great place for plant science, and thanks for listening. Bye everyone.